Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove any Odoo, well, marketing or branding from your website. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm not sure if the branding stays when you have a premium subscription. It might not stay, so you can try that. I have no way of actually getting a subscription at this current moment, so I'm going to be showing you guys an alternative with which might also work. So let me just show you how to do that. Firstly, you're going to go into your settings. Then firstly, in the general settings, you're going to scroll down until you get to developer tools. Here you're just going to click on activate the developer mode, which should activate the mode, and it's going to reset your or refresh your settings. And as you can see, now we are in developer mode right now. And what we're going to do next is we're going to go to technical, scroll down until we get to user interface, and here you're going to click on views. Now here you're going to search for a couple of different things or models. So let me just type in web.branding first, and for some reason it doesn't show it to me at the current moment, so I'm not exactly sure why I can't see it, but usually you have 3 of them, which you can see here in this post. You have web, oh, it's not branding, so it's web brand. So let me just search for it. Okay, that doesn't appear anyway. So yeah, you have web.brand promotion message, website.brand promotion, and web.brand promotion. And as you can see, for some reason, I can't find those keys over here, but you should be able to. Most likely because I don't have a premium subscription. If you do, you will be able to remove it. Most likely, not very sure, but it is what it is. Then in the architecture for each key, you just need to remove the body of code, just leave the first and last line, apply the changes, and refresh the web page of your website, and the branding will be gone. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.